EasyVis H1C 1080p na to guys. Security camera. Meron na tong two-way talk, 1080p resolution, motion detection, 3 sound alert. May smart IR, night vision up to 10 meters. 108 degrees wide angle yung coverage nito guys. May sleep mode at magnetic base. May memory card slot up to 512GB. PIR sensor with human shape detection algorithm for smarter notification. EasyVis Smart Home Wi-Fi Camera H1C. Got you covered all day and all night. Wow, ganda guys. Nandito sa loob yung manual. Nandito na rin pala yung mga saksakan niya guys, adapter at etong Type-C USB cord. Tapos pandikit guys, adhesive. Ayan, meron din tayong metal plate. Madali lang to i-install guys. Gagamitin nyo tong adhesive, dikit nyo lang to kung saan dingding nyo lalagay guys. Then ilagay nyo tong base nito guys sa taas. Meron din lagayan ng tornilyo kung gusto nyo i-screw. Sa baba guys, dito nyo lalagay yung power niya. Kaya kung naghahanap kayo guys ng smart security camera, itry nyo na to. Check out na mga lods!